today, and the guys came and took the, I never can remember what that's called, jackknife sofa out. And I had put this wallpaper stuff up yesterday. Oh, I got a bubble. I'll fix it. Anyway, I put this up yesterday, and then today, well, here's the sofa area without the sofa in it. And as you can see, there's my wallpaper, and there's the old. Yeah. And I ran out right there. But my new, I ordered some, and it should be here, I think Saturday is what it said on the little order thing. So, moving along. And I think I have the perfect table on my front porch. It's going to fit in there. It's about 2 inches shorter than what this is from here to here. And then I haven't found or decided on chairs for each other side there, but I'll get there. Just takes time. So yeah, when my other wallpaper gets here, I'll put it around that wall there, and yeah, so that's what's happening today. I'm tired. Working down there on that floor like that is hard on my back, but oh well. And my neighbor's out there picking her, what is that? Well, she's got squash out there, and then she's got passion fruit. Yum. So anywho, yeah, we're getting there. I'm real excited. I think this is going to work out a whole lot better for me than, unfortunately, than the Trail Manor. The thought of redoing an RV again isn't as exciting as it was the first time, but I'll get there. It's crazy. Anyway, so I just wanted to give you a little update. What I've done. Still looking for an air conditioner. I don't know if maybe it was just too hot out here the other day, because this air conditioner that's back there, that LG, like I said, it quit working after a little bit, but it was hot in here. And then yesterday and today, it seemed to work just fine. I had tried to fix the leak behind there. I can't squat in the tub and get back there with that wrench to try and fix it. So my daughter and son-in-law are supposed to be here Wednesday or Thursday this week. I don't know which. And I'll see if Tim can't get back there and do something about that leak. So, curtains. I thought about putting my curtains up that I had made. I don't know that I want to. I may put them behind the couch, or behind the, I don't know, I haven't decided. Anyway, plans to travel. Technically I don't have any. Unofficially, I would like to leave maybe next week or the week after, and go just for maybe next week, just for a trip close, you know, just because I've never pulled this rig before, so we'll see. But then after that, I do want to go up to Oregon, Klamath Falls, Lapine. Let's see, Lapine, Klamath Falls. No, it's Klamath Falls. Then it's Lapine. Then Redmond, Oregon. and then over to the Seattle area to visit my daughter and my grandsons. So I had planned on going to Kansas, I think it is. My son is in the Army, and he just finished up his last couple of days at the Pentagon, and now he's going to Kansas. I don't know what he does, to be honest with you. Cyber security, cyber warfare, I don't know. He only reason I don't know is because he doesn't say much about it. I know he was in Iraq 3 or 4 times, Afghanistan, Iraq, I don't know. Anyway, so I wanted to go see him and his wife and the twins, but with the way the world is today, I can't even get on base to go see him. Not that he couldn't go off base, but trying to find an RV park that I could stay in. And at one point he said, well, Mom, there's an RV park on base, you can just stay there. Well, now with the way things are, they're not letting anybody on base. So I can't even do that. Got somebody in my eye. So I don't know what I'm going to do about seeing him. I'd like to, though. But anyway, I am going to get a bucket of hot water, and I'm going to wash these cupboards out before it gets dark. And I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Maybe I'll bring curtains out and play with curtains tomorrow. We'll see. All right.